guys? IWrocker here. Starting in the doorway of the Power Wagon here. It is a little windy today, so I hope this audio is okay for you guys. Anyway, you saw the title, you're probably wondering what the hell is this guy doing putting Jeep parts on a Power Wagon. Well, it is a little bit of a troll. On the Jeep guys, as you know, I love off-roading. I love you know, all cars and trucks. I'm just a gearhead at heart, and I think I'm allowed to do this because I actually do respect Jeeps. I always have gone off-roading with Jeeps, and well, I kind of do own a Jeep. As you see, so I get to drive it a lot. Actually, Daniela does own that, but you know, I think that gives me a pass to poke fun at the Jeeps just for fun, guys. So what we're talking about today isn't a huge deal, but I think it's kind of funny. So what I mean by trolls, you'll kind of get it when you see it here. You know, this Jeep has, see, I just called this thing a Jeep. Oh my God. So this truck has kept up with Jeeps on multiple Jeep trails. I mean, 7 to 10 different trails between quite a few different parks that were very tight, very rocky, very muddy, tons of articulation and elevation change, and in reality, most of the time they are called Jeep trails. So I give this truck a lot of credit. I mean, she's just a beaut, and she's big, but man, has she served me so well over the years off-roading. And you know, she's really kept up with the Jeeps at their own game. So let's go ahead and reveal what I'm doing here.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
I do apologize about that message there. Truck does interrupt you a lot with filling her up. She's very, very thirsty, as you guys know. All right, guys, you ready for this? Haha, there it is, guys. That's right. I think this truck, after 2 years of keeping up with Jeeps on the tight Jeep trails where this thing doesn't fit, I think it deserves the one and only Jeep famous trail rated badge. That's right, guys. So tell me where it should go. Should it go here above the Hemi badge? I don't think it'd look good over here. You know, in the Jeeps, they have it right on the fender here. You know, they'll say Wrangler, Sahara, or Rubicon, or whatever. And sometimes they got the decal on the hood there. And then usually the trail rated badge is up here. It is a little bit of a curved surface. I think it'll stick there. It'll for sure stick there. What do you guys think? Here? Or here? Alright guys, with much thought put into this, I think it looks better right here. I think it looks more natural. It's where the Jeeps have it up high. And yeah, there we go, guys. I think we got a Jeep Power Wagon here. Package, just have your OEM Jeep trail rated badge. It is white and black to match the theme of the truck. And you just take this backing off here. It's got some real sticky adhesive to it, and you press it onto the front fender here. Okay, but first we're gonna clean it off and get it a real smooth and clean surface. Peel this off and press it on. It's pretty easy, guys. Let's get to it. All right, guys, you got to see this. I really like how this looks, and the Power Wagon is officially, well, she's a Jeep. See, we got all our off-road stickers here. We're missing a Cliffs one. We got to get a sticker from there sometime. We got the Hemi badge, just a 6.4 liter. It's not a little Pentastar, right? We got SRT power in here. And hey, look at that. She is officially trail rated, boys and girls. Yes, sir. This Power Wagon is trail rated. Yes, she is. I love this truck, and she is now officially trail rated. So, you know what? That pretty much means it can go anywhere, right? I mean, let's get real. Come on. Jeep, trail rated. Look at all these trail rated vehicles. Yep, she's a part of the trail rated family. So hope you guys like that. I think it's pretty funny, and just another way to identify my truck in particular. So if you see it at any of these car shows coming up, you'll know it's mine with the trail rated badge. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it was pretty funny myself, and I will be leaving that on there. I think she earned it. So anyway, guys, hope you guys give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. I think it was pretty funny. And don't worry, guys, I'm just trolling you. I love Jeeps. You know, maybe it's a Jeep thing I wouldn't understand. Like I said, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, guys, I'll catch you later.